In this practical pointer, I'm going to show you how info files, or internal documents stored within LASTRADA, provide users the help they need right from LASTRADA. Info files explain how to use the software if you're new to LASTRADA or provide a simple refresher. These reference files can be stored in any module and make it easy for users to efficiently complete their work without seeking outside help or opening another program. Starting in my After Login screen, I'll head over to Test Plus Modules. You can add info files to any screen, but for the purpose of this exercise, I'll select Asphalt Mix in the dropdown and then select Production QC. This screen now appears, which is where you add your info sheet. Right-click in this space and a list of options is provided. Select Info File Assignment. Many companies using LASTRADA have operations throughout Europe and North America, which creates a need for our software to communicate in many different languages. You can choose which language, such as English, German, or French, in this example database, for the translation settings. Once you have chosen your file, return to the Production QC screen and right-click again. Then select Show Info File from the short menu and see the file you chose and confirm it's the correct one. To delete an info file, select Assign Info File again and select the record you want to delete. Once this window appears, select Delete Existing Assignment and hit the green checkbox to save. Thank you for watching. Watch our next recommended video in the Practical Pointer series here, or watch the full playlist. For more resources like this, visit our resources page at lastradapartners.com/resources and subscribe to our channel.